Are you hiring welders here? Why, yes, I am hiring welders. Do you know how to weld? And what kind of welding do you do? I can weld anything. I can weld the crack of dawn if you needed me to. I can do the MIG, I can do the TIG, and I can do the thick. I can do all of that stuff. Oh yeah, did you bring your welding gloves and welding helmet to do a welding test? Because we gotta have one of those around here so I can see what you can do. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got my welding hood. Gloves? Man, gloves are for fags. Got my welding hood right here. I can weld anything. I can weld anything for you, boss man. Okay, I got these welding test plates right here. Let me see what you can do there. Man, I got this. I got this here. Where them plates at? Yo buddy, you gotta take them glasses off so you can see what you're doing. You know, the weld plates is over here. Oh, there they are. Oh, I'm just fooling with you. I got this right here. I got this. All right. There you go, boss man. That'd be the best welding you ever see in your life. Right there. I tell you, that's the best welding you ever see in your life. You'll be hiring me fast quick. Okay. Let's see what you done did there, boy. I can sure use one of these fancy old welder guys that know how to weld everything. Do. That's your weld right there? Man. You must be one of the best welders in the world, ain't you? Man, but I don't know. You might have to try the place down the road. Well, okay, boss man, but you can see my welds. They're the best in the world. I weld the crack of dawn. I guess I'll just see you later then.